Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to this lecture on benefits and uses of data science. Data science enables organization to make better decisions, and it allows them to improve their operational efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and also provides opportunity for improving innovation and strategic decision making. So usually this process involves series of stages to discover interesting insights from data, so that the organization can automate their repetitive tasks, providing opportunities for innovation and other important tasks. So they can allocate human resources for other important activities, reducing their workload for repetitive tasks. And also it enables the prediction of future trends, reducing the risk in complex scenarios. So let us discuss this in detail. So basically data science is a multidisciplinary field, or we can say it is an interdisciplinary field that involves several techniques from statistics, and we make use of predefined libraries and techniques to apply scientific methods and do some processing with the data to generate visual form of uh, reports or charts that helps the decision maker to make a better decision. It involves algorithms, machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithms, and some systems to extract insights from both structured and unstructured data. So depends upon the requirement and the data availability. We work with that structured data or unstructured data. Sometimes we use semi-structured data as well to discover insights from the data. So it involves the process of data collection and then pre-processing the data, visualizing the data to understand patterns, trends, and correlations, and then we analyze data to derive meaningful insights. Applying some machine learning techniques or deep learning, we generate useful information that can help the organization for various business operations. So it involves the process of transforming the data into important assets to improve the revenue, reducing the cost, and also providing possible business opportunities, and also organizations can ensure their customer satisfaction. Next, let us discuss some of the benefits of these organizations. So business organizations can make better decisions by utilizing the historical data and extracting useful information from it. It provides business intelligence tools to extract, analyze, and transform the data to the required format, and then they utilize the insights generated from the data to make better decisions. So the outcome of the process may be prediction results or classification results or clustering of data to understand the behavior of customers or maybe the business opportunities. So it also helps the organization to reduce the cost, identifying the bottlenecks in various operations, and also improve efficiency. Then we also use data science techniques to understand the customer behavior and preferences at all levels, and it enables the companies to uh, give necessary products or suggestions to the customer based on their needs. We also use this to automate the repetitive process, which reduces the complexity in the process and also enables the companies to utilize the manpower or human resources for various important tasks. And for in fraud detection also, uh, we use this to uh, apply machine learning or data mining to detect frauds by understanding the data, and then it enables risk factors. For example, in banking sector, so credit card fraud can be detected by analyzing the data, online data and the customer data, and various operational data. And it enables the companies to develop data-driven products. And nowadays we see several digital banners on various websites, and even in offline, if you see airports and railway stations, they have digital boards. So all these are automatically generating the data to display useful information to the customers. So these digital advertisements also use data science algorithms. And now we also use social media websites like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Netflix, Amazon, and other Google search engines. They also use data mining or machine learning, deep learning algorithms to do data science operations to generate relevant profiles or relevant product details to the customers. IMDb, movie online movie systems also use this kind of data science technique to suggest movies to the users. So this plays a very important role to suggest products or suggest items based on the history of data and user interest. As I already mentioned, internet search engine like Google also provides a better way to search data, and information can be results can be generated based on user query in a fraction of seconds. So for example, Google processes more than 20 petabytes of data every day. So discovering interesting insights from the data would enhance the customer experience. And also it improves the image recognition. For example, automatic tag suggestion uses a face recognition system, and we use in WhatsApp web a way of scanning the barcode to generate the link or other information. Similarly, in Google, we have a search option to search results based on image. So we can upload the image and search relevant results. In speech recognition, instead of typing the text, we can speak out, ask what we want. So based on that request, it will generate necessary insights. So it will convert the speech text into normal text, and which will be used for searching information. So for example, Google Voice, Siri, and Cortana uses this kind of speech recognition system. And we have several gaming apps nowadays, and EA Sports, Jenga, Sony, Nintendo, and Activision, Blizzard. So all these are using data science techniques to provide better gaming experience. So this analyzes the data and understand all the possible moves and suggest better moves for the users. And in marketing and price fixing, we use data science techniques to analyze the marketing data, product related data, and customer data, and which will help us to compare the price for various products, and also we can fix the price based on the customer data and marketing trend. For example, Price Grabber, Price Runner, Jungly, Shopzilla, and Deal Time are some of the examples of price comparison websites. Nowadays, we use these websites in many domains. So, including technology, hospitality, automobiles, and apparel sectors, they use this technique to compare prices. In the airline sector, we can use this data science technique to analyze the routes data, and also to improve the operational efficiency and to improve the profits. We can analyze passengers data and also various service airline providers data. And due to the sudden increase in fuel prices, there is a need to offer heavy discounts to customers, and also there are critical situations where we have to improve the route planning and customer and passenger satisfaction. So we use data science techniques for this. And also, so airline companies can predict the flight delay, and they can decide which airplanes to operate in a particular route, and whether the flights have to um, be landed at a particular destination, or it has to halt in between some cities. So that can be decided well in advance. So it can also provide rewards or effective customer satisfaction. So as I already mentioned, fraud reduction and risk reduction, we use data science techniques when companies were banking companies were financial companies were facing the problem of debts and losses due to several factors. They had used this kind of data science techniques to collect data and analyze and discover patterns. So they apply algorithms to process the data and generate insights. So this reduces the risk and loss. Also, banking companies improved their customer satisfaction, and um, enables the companies to understand customer profile and past expenditures. Based on that, it provides several opportunities to reduce the risk. And also logistics, delivery logistics, the companies like DHL, FedEx, UPS use data science techniques to improve the operational efficiency. And these companies use the data analytics and data mining algorithms to better understand the routes and the time to deliver and the best mode of transportation, etc. And they try to improve the cost efficiency. So these companies generate the data using the GPS, which provides possibility of selecting the routes. Also, in many other sectors, including finance sector and human resource recruitment, and healthcare sector and government sector, use data science techniques for various operations to reduce the complexities. So that's all in this lecture. Thank you all.